apples.
Way to go! Way to go!
Beep, beep.
Are you going to cook something for dinner?
Yeah.
At the stove?
Yeah.
What are you going to cook?
Apples.
What are you going to cook?
Apples.
Apples?
Yeah.
For dinner?
Apples.
Are you going to cook too, Sam?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are you making?
And so, apple. It's gonna make It's hot.
Is it hot? Are you blowing on it? Oh, you're going to put it in the oven?
So, blueberries.
What?
Blueberries.
Blueberries? Are you making blueberries?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's a good thing to make. Is that the microwave, Sam? Are you going to put it in there? Push the buttons. Yep, okay. Close the oven. Whoa.